Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are quite fine. All right, we're here today to see if we are actually able to profit anything to make any profit today. Because today in the morning, the price blew back at us where we lost two consecutive trades. So we just ended the stream, the live stream. I didn't end because I was tired. I ended because I wanted to look at take some sort of review of whatever thing I was doing. And then eventually I actually got into some other trades, and of course I won. Like I won seriously, like seriously. So I won on Euro USD, on German index, and Nasdaq. Normally I don't trade Nasdaq in the morning, but I saw the opportunity and I took it up. So it made sense for me. It made sense for everyone that joined us, right? So let's hope this evening is gonna be awesome, right? Hello, Kiki. Good day to you as well. Okay. So let's see how it works. So today I've already marked my levels, pre-streaming. So what we are waiting for here is a price closure above this level. If price closes above 130.99, then we're expecting some very sharp and quick move to somewhere around 131.51. That is for Nasdaq. Okay, I'm talking about Nasdaq. I'm doing Nasdaq analysis. And then for sales, if we can secure a closure below 130.65, then there is a huge possibility that we can secure a 7 pips plus in for sales. Okay, so all we need to do, again, I'm going to stress on it very well, all we need to do is to look out for these unique setups. Okay, these are the only thing we need to look out for, especially this happens like every day, like constantly every hour this happens. I do not know why you cannot hear me. Let's see, my voice is very clear. Hello. Excuse. Okay, hello. Okay, I think I just increased my volume. If you cannot hear me, I believe you can hear me now. If you cannot hear me till now, then something is wrong with your system. Okay. All right, guys, let's move on. So, like I was saying, if we can secure closure above this area, we can get some very nice profits today, from today's trading. Then for Euro USD, it is pretty clear as well. If we can secure a closure above 1 hour time frame, then we are good to go for the day. We can target about 20 pips. I think it's about 20 pips. Yes, about 22 pips. But then if price actually breaks below here, we're just going to secure a lot of profit, because it means that we are officially out of this wedge, do I say, rising flag that's actually forming here. I don't normally trade that a rising flag, but then I do not ignore the fact that it exists, right? So I normally just use the fact that it exists and I take advantage of that fact. Okay, let me show you what I mean. You see the way price is perfectly fitted. You see, price is perfectly fitted. Let me just change. This is a very bad color. Okay, I gotta change the color so that it becomes very sexy, right? Nice. It's making sense now, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel it is making sense already, right? Okay, let's make it smaller so that it doesn't look so emphatic. Nice. So can you see the way price is actually joining these levels, right? Joining these levels, these peaks, these highs and lows. Okay, I could actually add this. If I adjust this a little bit, all of them will be aligned. So what I think price is actually going to do on Euro USD is to see if it could touch this line, right? If it could touch 24.72, if it touches 24.72, it may close below. Perhaps we may have a fake out here. Okay, we may have this happen, price going up there, and then we have a fake out for price to keep going down. Once, I just wish I'm going to be online to see these guys get broken. And how do I know that this is about to play out? how I'm supposed to know is, um, of course, a closure below here. If I can secure a closure below here, then we are all in until yeah, closure below 2191 is all in until 1502. Okay, so that is actually what's going to happen. This is not negotiable because this is a confirmed flag for me right there. In as much as I don't really trade this, some people call this as well rising wedge. Okay, you are free to call it rising wedge. I mean, people call it anything they want to call it, so feel free to call it anything you want to call it as well. As long as you're making money using the concept, it's all good. Who cares if you call it rising wedge or falling wedge, or tickling wedge? Nobody cares. All everybody care about is if you can defend it and you can take profits from it. Is all aligned. Okay, so I have quite a lot of comments here on the group. I see Miss Ward saying something, and Kiki is saying something, and Simeon Conley is saying hello. Hi back to you, Miss Ward. And now we can. Oh, right, Miss Ward, apologies, I didn't know. I thought it was a technical issue from your end, not knowing that I killed my volume a little bit from my end. Okay, so you can even hear me better now. Like my voice is awesome. It's even picking my background now. You can hear the kids coughing, the television, and everything. Okay, enjoy all the mixture. Okay, that's by the way. Let's move on. And we have Abdurrahman Al-Zawi. Sorry. NAS seems to be raising up. I'm in a buy. Order SL 130.40. What do you think? Okay, let's look at NAS and see what my good friend is doing. For me, again, I'm going to repeat. Okay. If I do not get a confirmation, I do not trade. Something must have triggered me right here, guys. Nothing is triggering me here. Nothing is making me to buy here. Like absolutely nothing. I don't assume. Gone are the days of assumptions, right? We have 2 minutes left for 4 hours to close. So Abdurrahman, if you are lucky, price will go all the way up to retest 131.52. If you are unlucky, price is just going to flush your stop loss and hit 129.79. So what I'm going to advise you, if you have a working strategy and that strategy is asking you to buy, please remain in the position. If you can repeat whatever confirmation that you got before you got into market, okay, before you open positions, whatever confirmation you had, if you can be able to replicate it next time, remain in the market. Otherwise, close it. It's not your trade, because next time if you attempt it, it's going to take your money back. It's going to take 100 times of whatever it has given you now. That's where these things work. You must have a working strategy, something that you can replicate. But then congrats on that buy. It's really an awesome move. Your stop loss is at 130.40. 130.40 is somewhere 130.40. Why this level, my dear? Why this level? Why this level? That's a very big question for you now. Right? Why this level? Let's see. It doesn't make sense, right? Yes, I know perhaps you may have considered this. You may have considered this, but then what evidence do you have that it's going to happen? Like, that the price is not going to brush down here and keep moving down, right? So let's all wait for confirmation, please, just for your sanity only, okay? Because I don't think it's right to take a trade. For me, I don't see a confirmation. If you have seen a confirmation, congrats. Please share that confirmation with me so that I can as well implement that as well. Because I want to be taking trade left, right, and center. I want to be taking trade. If I open my eyes and close it, by the time I open it again, I want to take a trade. If I sleep and wake up in the morning, I want to take a trade. If I bathe and come out of the washroom, I want to take a trade. If I go poo-poo and come out, I want to take a trade. If I cook and come back, I want to take a trade. If I eat, everything I do after that, I want to take a trade. But the thing is, I need confirmation, right? That's all I have to tell you, Mr. Abdurrahman. Congrats on that buys, but make sure you are right, okay? That's why I'm not trying to scare you away, my dear, okay? I'm just trying to say reality. Okay. Okay, it is another 1 hour. 1 hour just formed now. So what is it gonna be? What is price telling us? That is the question. What is price telling us? Euro USD seems like it's going to drop, right? Guys, am I right? This setup, you can assume that this setup is the same because you can never get exact the same thing in markets, right? You can assume that this setup is actually this. So now, should we wait for price to actually blow into this area? Because I'm getting a feeling that there's going to be a fake out. There's going to be a move for price to fake out. And that is the aim of manipulation, right? Price is going to manipulate some people here. It's just going to fake out and make use of this other block. I think that's what's going to happen. Is price is going to make use of this other block. This other block I don't think is strong enough. It is not strong enough. I don't know. Because if it is powerful the way I thought, perhaps price should keep going down. It shouldn't ever come back again. But looking at this setup, this other block, coming back, price coming back here again, I don't think this one is not even strong enough. I mean, that's what I feel, guys. There's there's no dictionary where I'm seeing what I'm saying, okay? So you better be careful what you hear. Okay? You better be careful what you hear. Sometimes I can be wrong, okay? I'm not perfect. I'm not a god, okay? So let's look at NAS. My good friend may be right after all. He may be right. So if I wear him, perhaps now is the time to get into a position whereby I buy here, use 24 pips as stop loss, and expect price to go up, but then closing a lot of a big chunk of my positions the moment this week gets filled, because if you're getting in, then you are getting in with respect to weeks, right? So close a large chunk of your positions here, and then move your stop loss to break even for price to keep going up, right? So let's see. Let us see how it turns out, guys. Let's see. So what is it gonna be, guys? We have less than 27 minutes for us to get another shock.
7 minutes starting now. By the way,
Guys, apologies. I think Alexa went insane. I was still talking and Alexa caught my voice and started responding to me. Apologies for that. So let's see. For me, there's no good confirmation here, guys. I would rather stay out of markets. Even if price decides to blow all the way up here, I don't think I mind. I don't mind. I just want to get a confirmation. That's all. Okay. Let's see. Of course, we have to pay good attention to this 15 minutes. If 15 minutes does not cross above this level, above 130.90, then the break of this low, I wouldn't mind to try out something. Perhaps it could be a confirmation of our bearish force, right? So it makes sense if I explore this option. But let's see. There's no rules around anything. Just have to make sure that whatever decision you're making, you can replicate it in the next trade. That's all. So let's see, guys. I'm gonna mute myself for a while since a lot of things are happening around here. I'm gonna mute myself for a while. If you need me, you know what to do. Yes, I know my sound is not active. I've been on mute for some time. Like I said, I'm gonna be on mute for some time until NYSE opens. Okay, that was the deal, right, guys? We agreed, right? We had an agreement, right? Zone Max, is good to have you around. Welcome to us. 'Think something nice is forming in 15 minutes. At least this is giving us idea of what actually is going to happen at 5:30. So should we say that our bias is actually going to be bearish because of this formation in 15 minutes? We're yet to know. Let's see how this current 15 minutes closes. Then we can decide. 15 minutes Euro USD bullish force is forming. Is it going to be confirmed? We don't know yet. We are observing. So for the sake of NYSE Open, I'm going to focus squarely on NAS100. After we can look at Euro USD because Euro USD, NYSE Open, I don't think it actually impacts Euro USD. So let's focus on NAS to make maximum use of our trading time. Okay, guys. Hope you guys aligned. Nice. Thank you for agreeing. I felt your yes. That makes sense. I mean, yes, you didn't say anything, but I felt it myself. You know. Get in. We are waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We have way over 4 minutes for NYC open. We can see the volume already. We can feel the volume as well. So I believe today is going to be profitable. I have a feeling today is not just going to be a day of 30 pips. Today seems to be, looks like it's going to be a day of 100 pips. I remember quite well, normally, when I started newly, streaming live, we usually make up to 170 pips online, like live trading. But then, due to that fact, we lose a lot of money, right? Because if we earn, take home 170 pips for one day, the next day we're gonna take home. We're gonna, anticipate to take home something similar, right? Because of it, we're gonna see a winning trade, and we're not gonna close. We didn't close. I mean, we're still leaving our winners to run just to make sure that we get up to 170 pips, 150 pips, 120 pips. Then we start losing because wins turns to losses, right? So eventually, I decided to step up the game and come up with something that is more sustainable, and it's working out for us. But today looks like a day we're not making any exceptions, by the way. But then it looks like a day of volume because pre NYSE, if you get the kind of volume that we just got now, it means that something good it's going to happen, right? So let's see how it works out. So here's the plan, guys. So if we are able to secure a closure, to have this candle close bears, if it closes as a bear, as a bearish candle, then we anticipate price to just pop up and then come down for flip for a weak fill. Of course, from the weak fill, we expect price to continue moving down, right? So let's see, in less than 1 minute, let's say way over one, just a little bit over 1 minute, we can confirm this hypothesis to see if it's going to work or not. Unless I'm wrong with the damn hypothesis, guys. Those guys that did science, please correct me. I did science as well, but I just want to find faults here. Set your lot size. Make sure you have set your lot size. Everything should be ready now. Decide on how much you want to risk. Okay, and then usually I advise people to divide the risk into 4, but these days I don't say that anymore because there wouldn't be a need, because we normally get a good confirmation before we get in, right? So decide on how much you want to lose and set your lot sizes so that the moment it starts, you don't need to wait for anybody. See you in 20 seconds. Okay, guys, you can see what's going on now. If I don't get a wick, I'm not going to trade. Without a wick, I'm not trading nothing, guys, unfortunately. It's breaking boundaries like I expected, but then there's no wick. So without a wick, I'm not trading anything. I need price to attempt to go up. I need price to attempt going up before it comes down. Otherwise, I am not in at all. So what is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? So the deal is, the moment I see price trying to go up, fantastic, nice, nice. So what's it gonna be? Is it gonna continue going up or down? For me, I'm gonna set a sell stop below here, okay? And I'm gonna just add the price tag as well, just for your sanity, for your visibility, not sanity case yet. Okay, so guys, we are all good to go. We are all good to go. So if price breaks below, please take your trade, okay? Oh my god, I'm already late. Come on, why, man? God damn it. I didn't see that coming, guys. Apologies. I didn't see that coming. I shouldn't have shouted that way. Come on, man. I lost one 13 pips opportunity, man. Come on. This is not making sense. It's actually a nice entry right there, right? I don't know why I missed out on the opportunity to get in on time. So let's aim for 159 pips, but then along the way, of course, we have to close partials as usual. And the moment our partials our BE is hit, I'm going to end the stream immediately, okay? Because I don't need to waste time. Let's be patient, guys. We just have to be patient and see what price is actually doing. I'm really not happy, guys. I missed, about 13 pips of opportunity, man. 13 pips is a lot of money. Why would I miss that, man? God damn it. I got filled. I got in somewhere here. Got in somewhere here. Come on, why is this not coming with me? I got in somewhere here. Somewhere here. Okay, guys. Come on, one more peep, just one more peep, man. Move. Come on. One more push, just one more push. Fantastic, guys. Move your stop loss to break even and please close 50%. I did that already. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, this is it. I wouldn't mind. Yes, I got in late, but I closed 50% already. You can see that, right? So that is what I call discipline. So that's my trading style. If you don't like it, please get another trader. Online streamer and follow the person, okay? If price goes back to hit our break even, then I'm out of the market completely, okay? So these are the points, just FYI, these are the points to look out for. And if I can get some price movement downwards again, if I get price to touch 129.79, I'm going to close 25 pips additional. Sorry about the noise, guys. Break-even point eventually got hit. Let me confirm that now. Yes, price is heading to my break-even for some strange reasons. And at the same time, we have German index right here, trying to form, bullish force, in 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So German index and NAS, they are actually conflicting each other at this point in time, and it's very not okay. For me, it's not okay. Not okay. If both of them are aligned, it would have been a blessing for us. We would have taken trade here for price to hit, at least give us 60 pips. But then I'm not confident to take trade here now because okay, my break even is hit, guys. Come on, this is not good, man. I don't know. Was yours hit, guys? Okay, what price did you get in? Come on, man. I told you guys I missed the opportunity. I mean, I got in 13 minutes late, 13 pips later than I called, right? See, this price after hitting my break even, now it started going down. Did you see this, guys? This is cheating. I can't take it. Okay, guys, who took the trade? Did anybody win in this trade? Do we have winners here? Do we have absolute winners here? Yes, BE hit, but at least we closed 50%, which means a win. Exactly. See, I love this, man. I love this mentality. Closing 50% is very important, right? It's quite important. It's very important, guys. It's a win. Because let's assume this guy went ahead and closed your 50% and kept on moving back. What do you think is going to happen? It's going to be insane, right? Obviously, price is still going to move down, but then I think I'm out. I'm good with what I got, okay? I'm out. I'm very good with what I got. No, I got in early. Wait, no, I got in early. How? I didn't get. You are still not hit? Woo, guys, I can see all wins here. Congrats, guys. Congrats, Lisa. So your break-even is not hit, so you are still in the trade. Congrats for that. Congrats to you. Let's see how we can actually make this better. Really, I'm not happy. Anyway, I'm happy because I made tons of money today already. So just that this one, I have a feeling price is actually going to move all the way down to 128.99. I just have that feeling. It's in me, It's boiling in me, you know what I mean? EURUSD is still wasting time and creating confusion everywhere, while German index is very busy forming some fake forces. But I don't know, this could be real, guys. This is so ripe, guys. This is so good. Can you see? This is our exact setup forming here. The exact setup we have, like, the way it is. The way it is in our play. That is it forming here. Do you think it's going to happen? Okay, you mean for smart money in daily, 129.50? 129, man. Really, smart money drives me insane. 129.50, 129.50. That's somewhere. Okay. Yes, I get you, my dear. This is smart money area. Yes, you're right. This is smart money area. Price most likely is going to come here because when you talk about smart money, we're actually talking about stuff like this. It's not that there is no exact point for smart money, right? So this is it. So price is definitely going to hit 129.02, and then perhaps after hitting it at 83% of FIBO, then it's going to reverse. Perhaps it could test it 8.6% as well before it reverses. So you're right, Conley. You are so goddamn right. But then I'm out and a lot of the team is out. So let's just do something, guys. Let's do something. Let me just set alarm somewhere here because the team got in a little bit earlier than I did, which is not good for me, and I'm not happy. But then I'm happy for the team because why? For the fact that the team made it in, right? For the fact that the team made it in, I'm quite happy. Okay, excuse me, guys. The price of my 8% FIBO. Okay, you're gonna get it, Simeon Conley. Let's do that again. How did I do that again? Um, oh, sorry, guys. So it is from down to up. So the price is 128.63. 128.63. My broker opened my trade 30 seconds later, but I won bank. Woo! You banked 1,000. Is that rands? That's awesome, man. Congrats. Really, I'm happy for you. 1,000 rands, man. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, right? Congrats, my dear. Congrats. Congrats. I'm happy. I'm happy. I mean, whenever I see people win, I'm very happy. That's why I try. Oh, break even hits. I try as much as possible to, decide on trades based on confirmation, right? So whatever happens after this, you don't care anymore, right? Unless you want us to stay online to see how 30 minutes closes, right? Perhaps we can stay online to see. Maybe this 30 minutes is going to close well. Then if it closes well, so break even is hit, I'm going to close this. So if it closes in this, perhaps it has broken, it has caused confusion here, right? By breaking this very, do I say, yeah, very important area, because look at this, it's a very important area, right? It's a very important area, guys. Look at it, it's very important. It has broken that very important area. So I actually expect price to, perhaps pull back. The next 30 minutes is just going to give us a pop. You remember that pop I normally talk about? Let's assume price closes here. It's just going to pop like this and then move back up and just keep going down. That's what I suspect is going to happen today, guys. I suspect. I didn't say it's going to happen. On the other way around, looking at how important this level is, we may see price go down massively. Just even this 30 minutes could actually go down until 128.99. Just in case you don't know what I mean. This 30 minutes could actually go down and end up giving us 150 pips. But then we have a strategy that works, so we don't need to disobey that strategy. It's very important, guys. I'm happy for everyone that took the trade. Congrats to you all. If 30 minutes close, will you enter for weak fill? Exactly what I'm trying to say, Simon Conley. That's actually what I'm trying to say. If 30 minutes closes, I could actually go in for weak fill. The most dangerous thing to do is to use weak fill. For 15 minutes. It's very dangerous, guys. Very, very dangerous. Especially 15 minutes, the last 15 minutes of an hour. It's dangerous to take a trade at that time. It's very, very bad. Logically think about what I'm saying. You're going to understand what I'm saying. It's dangerous to take a trade the last minutes of an hour. So let's patiently, I wanted to end the stream, but I felt like, I didn't cash enough. I'm not greed, guys. You have to rule greed out of this. There's still a lot of opportunities because there is good opportunities to the left hand side. Okay, so at least this is, if I get a trade, if I cash a trade until 129.79, then I'll be done. I can advance myself to stop because of this noise here. I can advance myself to stop, but at this point in time, we still have massive opportunity here. Let me see how we can explore that opportunity and make some money from it. Woo, guys! So, did you see how we missed this? We missed this move. This is awesome, guys. Don't you think so? It's amazing. It's so beautiful. For 29 pips, at least by now you've made some money and and counting, right? So beautiful, guys. I love to see this form, right? It's so beautiful to look at. But then let's not confuse ourselves. And Euro USD is still there dancing around without any aim. Trying to rest in peace our money. Okay, guys. It seems 15 minutes is actually going to pull price down. Oh my god. God damn it, man. I hate this. God damn it, man. Damn, guys. Are you seeing this? Normally, last 15 minutes of the hour normally don't give anybody profit. It just takes your money. Everything you've made in that hourly candle, the last 15 minutes takes it away. But then it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Like I told you guys, there is a very huge possibility that this 30 minutes is actually gonna hit our target. There is very big possibility. Okay, but then let's see how it works out. Hi, Max. I hope you are following us on Telegram. If you are not, please, this is our channel, okay? Telegram channel is PPP Drahams, okay? I'm going to share the link on this again. I'm going to share the link again so that you can join. Just join us there. You can laugh all the way, or every day. We normally laugh every day, in case you don't understand. I don't know. Is Williams here? I have a very important friend. You know, I didn't get any comments from him today. Normally, I enjoy reading his comments, but then today is just very quiet, all quiet. Is Williams? I think, let's see his name. Apologies, Williams, if you're here and I'm not getting your name correct. Oh, God. That is to Thoranira. Thoranira, are you here on this? That is Williams. How can I see his name, man? Yes, not Williams. Mervin Klima. Are you here? Mervin Klima, are you here? Please, if you are here, say hi. Tell us what you think, because I learn from you. Let us know how you think. Nice, good to have you, Max. And for other guys that are actually here, you know, on the stream, but then they're not in our group, please join the group and have fun with us, okay, everyone? Normally, some days when I feel good, if I wake up, you know, from the right side of the bed, of course, I normally send signals on the group, special signals every day. That is when I wake up from the right side of the bed. So join us. Let's make this money together. If we had decided perhaps to, you know, close position, it would have been the same thing basically. So it makes sense the way we actually close some percentage and held on to others to see if we could make more. It makes sense. That's pretty much nice. It's beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. Let's wait for 30 minutes to close. I just want to have a very nice week. But the way this is going about, this 15 minutes is going about this move, it may end up taking up every single week we hoped for. I just hope it doesn't happen anyway. I just hope it doesn't happen. 1 hour as well has to some degree has some weeks to give us. So I don't know. I'm gonna mute myself until the next hour is formed. Okay, guys. I hope you don't mind. See you guys when the next hour forms. As you can see, we're not waiting for anything. Can you see? It's not really giving us any opportunity to get in. So unfortunately, I mean, I hate this. Really, I feel so bad because this is a move. I spotted this move on time, right? We spotted this move together on time, but then we took just small part of it. But then it makes sense that we took it and leave, right? And you know, we left on time, right? That's what our strategy says, right? Because if we didn't, perhaps if price had reversed, we would have paid the price of disobedience, right? I had a feeling that this was going to happen today, but then I just have to follow my strategy. So this is a lesson for everyone. No matter how you try, if it is your money, then price wouldn't get to your break even anymore. Okay? If it happens to be your money, your trade to win, then the profits couldn't have, I mean, the price wouldn't have gotten to your break even point. We have at least, a lot of times where at least we put our price at break even and still price never touched our break even. We still made hit our TP, right? So today could have been that day, but then the break even stuff shattered all the hopes, right? You can see, like I said, 12979 was a very strategic, very important point point of interest. And look at, price went to that level and stopped, right? At least that pause shows you that we are right. Yes, even if price breaks it and keeps going down, the pause alone is going to show you that we are actually right. Okay, so there's nothing we're waiting for. We're not waiting for anything. Really, I feel bad. I don't know. I don't know how to express how I feel, because I feel bad because this is actually my move right here. It is my move completely. My move. 87 pips. And we spotted this move in 15 minutes, but then it got invalidated by the next 15 minutes candle and blah blah blah. It goes on and on and on. But then in 30 minutes we have a good confirmation, but then break even got hit. So there's nothing we could have done, guys. We did our best, right? I'm still in. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Wow, Lisa, you are still in because you got in early, so your break even was not hit. Congratulations. Would you say we should keep an eye on bullish formation? Bullish false formation for a buy around 128.63 to 129.20, 128.63. Let's see, 128.63. 128.63 is around somewhere here, my dear. All you need to do, really, I can't tell you what price is gonna do. All you have to do is to patiently observe. Okay, wherever you see the confirmation of anything you are looking for, you have to risk it, because this is what you are waiting for. You plan and wait. You planned it. You planned that you're taking this, right? So you have to wait. If you see it, do not hesitate. Take it, and please follow every single guidelines that we have placed here. Because if you saw this here and you took it, then if you followed our guideline, perhaps maybe you must have closed some partials before this happened, right? So that's why it is very important. If you want to follow our strategy, follow it to the latest. Don't leave any part of it. If you leave any part of it, it's never going to be profitable. Today we are in profit because we actually did not exceed our duration. If we had exceeded our duration, what could have happened? What could have happened is that things might go wrong. Things might go wrong. I mean, if this had reversed at that point in time, then we may have entered long position here while you are still suffering from the loss you are holding. Okay, so I think we are good for today. But then let's fill our journals. Let's fill up. Oh my god, I didn't put time in for the previous two for morning stream. It's okay, I'm gonna feed that up later. Okay, this is NAS short. We actually did this based on week fill, and that was BS in 30 minutes. Of course, full, like 100%. We closed out at, I think that was 32 pips. Closed out at 32 pips, and the other one hit break even, so it doesn't matter anymore. So we are back to 80%. Back to 80%. That's nice. Really, that's fantastic. So 80%, but then do you see the good thing about the 80%? The number of pips keeps increasing. Like we were even at 79%. It didn't affect the number of pips that much, right? Look at this. I mean, it's not much. So this is the reason why you need to have a plan. Okay, let's impute the imputing this is actually one of the strongest. Okay, 6 o'clock, that's bull. It's still rushing down, but then I can't get in here. If I get in here, how am I sure price is not just gonna reverse? So if I don't get for this kind of move, for this kind of very strong move here, right, we require a very steep wick, like a very steep wick. If the wick is not steep enough, then you better stay away. In some cases, after this move comes another strong move. Yes, I know, but then it barely happens, guys, barely. If you want to try, say, look at what I'm talking about. Look at a strong move. Did you see what happened after? Look at another strong move. See what happened after? This is a strong move. Did you see what happened after? Unless that strong move has a wick, just like this. If it has a wick, then go ahead and get in. Even if it has a bottom wick, right? If it gave you a wick to fill, go ahead and get in. Is your profit. Otherwise, after a long wick comes confusion. If you get in, it's going to trap you and use your liquidity to fill up this. Use your money to fill up this for other guys to to earn. Okay, let that be a takeaway from me to everyone today. When you have something as long as this, stay away. If you think I'm lying, go back to history and show me where a move happened after a strong move. It's impossible. It's possible, yeah, but it's rare. Okay, this is what I talked about. This was a strong move, but before the next strong move commenced, we had a steeper wick, very steep wick. Can you see? I was waiting for this to happen, but I didn't see that, so I better stay off. Let me see. See what I talked about, guys. So if you are gotten in at that point in time, maybe now you are developing some level of high BP, and it's very bad, right? That you are trading to make money, and at the same time you are using the entire money for high BP treatment. I mean, how do you feel about it, right? Okay, guys, let's see. I'm gonna mute myself for a while. Let's see if we can catch something. Just about a couple of minutes. Let's see. Actually, German index, we do trade German index on Mondays, but I made an exception today because I got caught up in something, so I couldn't leave the house at that time. So I just decided to, to come online and explore, right? So we trade German index at London Open, and of course with Euro USD as well. But I think I'm just going to focus on German index from next week, Monday, just German index at 11 a.m. and then Euro USD and NAS at NYSE Open. Let's see how it goes anyway. And maybe if I look at opportunities, if I see better opportunities, I could actually take Euro USD as well, because it's a very fantastic pay. Really, Euro USD is really very, very resourceful. If you know what I mean, so resourceful, man. I'm actually observing Euro USD because I opened the position on binary options. I did some call on binary options whereby I opened I did put here. Is it called put or call? I don't know. I don't know whatever time it's called, but I actually told basically stake that price is gonna close below this level, right? Below 2403. So that's why I'm actually observing this. If it closes below this, then I'm gonna make some hell of money. Price is gonna close below this. If it closes, I'm gonna make some hell of money. That's why I'm actually looking at Euro USD. That is at 8:15. Sorry guys, at 18:15. Okay, at 18:15. If price is at this low, still below this level, then I'm gonna win the trade or whatever it's called. Don't let this confuse you guys. If you want to take this trade, feel free to take it absolutely, but I'm never going to take any trade here. After a long move without wick, any opportunity to get in, that's going to be suicidal, guys. Believe me when I say that. German index, how do I feel, my good friend? How are that? German index, no opportunity, guys. What actually are we waiting for, guys? Is there anything we're waiting for? Because NAS is done. We're done for the day. I made my profits already after my morning live stream. This is just an additional, and I'm grateful for that. So, guys, I guess it's gonna be we're gonna meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow, 10th of August. Okay. And looking at my analysis today, I don't know. I have not gotten a lot of views today. So let's see. Oh god, this is beautiful. The analysis actually is playing out. So beautiful. Did you see, guys? We are just a step away from, just one range away from targets. That is for NAS. And for Euro USD, we are still doing pretty fine as well. Let's see. Nice. Euro USD hit take profit and they exceeded the take profit and went to extended profits. And they still dancing around us. So two of my signals today, they actually worked out pretty fine. Congrats to all the people that caught it. I wish to see you guys tomorrow. Lisa, are you still in? Lisa is the mother of profits today. Mother of all profits today. So guys, go ahead and like my stream, please. I want to get likes. More likes, please. We have live viewers up to 12 now, so I want to get up to 12 before I close. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining. Really, I appreciate you every day for making out time to come and trade with me. I'm going to see you tomorrow, hopefully, by the grace of God, inshallah.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.